In this video, we're gonna learn how you can fix Instagram account automatically closed. Whenever you try to use Instagram account, it will get crashed. So just watch the video till the end in order to get it properly. Alright, so first of all, what you're gonna do, you have to go to your home screen, and over there you have to go to your device settings. Once you're there, now you have to scroll down and go to applications. Now go to applications management. Basically here you will find all the applications that are installed on your device. So over there you have to search for Instagram. Then in Instagram, go to storage usage and click on clear cache, so that all the corrupted cache memory will be cleared and you will get a resetted version of Instagram. And after that, go back and force stop the application. After doing these two things, just again go back to your Instagram, and most probably this time your Instagram will not get crashed. And one thing that I want to mention here is that if your device update is also available, then you can go and update your device. And for that, go to your settings and scroll down at the very bottom, and here you will find about device, and check if there is any software update is available. Then update it to its latest version, because most of the time the reason behind these bugs in all the applications can be your device update also. Anyways, I hope this tutorial helps you a lot. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.